APTOS is a blockchain project initiated by Meta in 2018, originally named Libra. However, the negative reputation Meta accumulated over the past decade and various internal controversies, Libra failed to gain approval from U.S. regulators and ultimately met its demise. Nevertheless, the original team did not give up and continued to seek opportunities. The project was eventually sold and renamed Deem, with its related assets transferred to Silvergate Capital. However, in March 2023, Silvergate announced plans to liquidate. Despite these setbacks, the original development team persevered and decided to create new blockchain projects independently, leading to the birth of APTOS. APTOS emerged with high hopes from the team, aiming to become the most scalable Layer 1 blockchain. Its goal is to build a scalable, secure, trustworthy, and upgradable smart contract platform, enabling billions of people to create assets and access the network in a fair, decentralized manner. The APTOS Labs team developed three major products: Petra Wallet, APTOS Names, and APTOS Explorer. In March 2022, APTOS Labs secured $200 million in strategic investment led by a 16Z. In July, FTX Ventures led another $150 million round. Binance Labs and Dragonfly also joined in, completing strategic investments in APTOS Labs by the end of September. APTOS claimed that over 100 projects were being built on its network, covering various fields like DeFi, NFTs, and gaming, with its ecosystem rapidly expanding. However, blockchain users have grown weary of the hype around high TPS transactions per second and large-scale user growth. The APTOS ecosystem's level of innovation seems lacking. As a new and highly anticipated blockchain, how does APTOS actually perform? First, APTOS uses a new smart contract programming language called Move, which originated from the Deem project. Move's parallel execution technology allows APTOS to process up to 160,000 transactions per second TPS, whereas Ethereum 2.0's upgrade promises only 100,000 transactions per second. In terms of TPS scalability, APTOS does indeed take the lead. Solana gained prominence because its transaction speed surpassed Ethereum, earning it the title of Ethereum Killer. Now, APTOS is attempting to outpace Solana with even faster speeds, quickly gaining market attention. But can APTOS really outdo Solana? From the perspective of the blockchain trilemma, Solana focuses more on decentralization and scalability, making it the blockchain with the highest TPS in the crypto industry, capable of handling 65,000 transactions per second. APTOS, on the other hand, enhances security on top of its high performance without sacrificing stability for speed. Solana achieves high performance by utilizing GPU computing and minimizing redundant validation. APTOS increases speed by dividing tasks among multiple GPUs while maintaining stability and security, which could be seen as somewhat disruptive. However, the two blockchains have different focuses, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Despite being touted as the most scalable Layer 1 blockchain, APTOS has yet to be truly tested in practice. The emergence of APTOS might challenge Solana's monopoly in the high-performance blockchain sector. However, the critical question is whether the APTOS team can successfully execute their vision and surpass Solana's lead in ecosystem development. APTOS uses the Move programming language, which helps developers avoid many errors that could lead to vulnerabilities. Another blockchain, Sui, also developed with Move, was created by members of the original Deem team and has become a strong competitor to APTOS. Both Aptos and SUI are Layer 1 blockchains, allowing decentralized applications dApps to be built on top of them. While both are based on the Move language, Aptos continues to use the original Move language, whereas SUI has developed its own version, SUI Move. Aptos and SUI are both based on the proof-of-stake POS mechanism and adopt BFT consensus, but their designs differ. Aptos relies heavily on an improved BFT consensus mechanism called Hot Stuff, which Aptos claims can reach consensus and finalize blocks in under a second. SUI, on the other hand, uses a consensus algorithm called Novel Task, which implements parallel execution and introduces a dynamic method that eliminates the need for consensus on many transactions, allowing simple token transfers to be confirmed almost instantly. The competition between Aptos and SUI is intense, and users stand to benefit from it. However, it's still too early to determine which blockchain has the upper hand due to the lack of sufficient data at this early stage. As of today, Aptos's market cap is $2.8 billion, with a 24-hour trading volume of $79.6 million. The circulating supply of Aptos tokens is 483 million, with a total supply of 1.11 billion and a market cap of $6.49 billion. The Aptos mainnet launched on October 22, 2022, with an initial price of $7.3. On January 30, 2023, the price peaked at $18.3, but later fell to $4.9, a 70% decline. From October 19th, the price surged to $18.8 within 187 days, then corrected by 65%, with the current price at $5.8. The primary reason for this fluctuation is that many token holders, particularly venture capital firms, have largely cashed out. Finally, we will discuss SUI blockchain by next week and make a conclusion about the blockchain's knowledge to understand more about FinSwap platform token. I will pass the microphone to moderator.